Have a smaller account? No problem. Today you will watch me trade small position sizes and still make profits with my custom scans. I will also be selecting 3 giveaway winners, so stay tuned to the very end of the video. Hello and welcome back. I'm Dr. Bo with Ready, Set, Grow. On this channel, my goal is to share tips to help you on your financial and trading journey. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below saying you subscribe for a chance to enter our next giveaway. Also check the description for some valuable resources. Most of the time when I'm taking trades, I'm usually trading position sizes of 10 or more. However, that's not the only way to make money trading. You can still make money by trading 1 to 2 positions. While your profits might be slightly different from someone who has 10 contracts, you could still make a decent profit. Okay, the market just opened, so I'm gonna run through a couple of my scans. I'm looking at the Squeeze Pro and the regular Squeeze scan and looking to see what has just fired on the daily time frames. So far, the ones I am interested in from the Squeeze Pro are TGT, fired long on the daily. EMAs are all stacked, and the histograms are bullish. So I'm going to take a look at that chart. I also see that Costco just fired on the 1 hour time frame. That looks interesting. So I'm interested in taking a trade on Target and Costco because they both fired. EMAs are stacked and the histograms are positive. Okay, so I just got filled on Target. I purchased 2 contracts the same week and I am down right now and I'll just keep an eye on it. I purchased a 262.5 call at $3.05 and I selected calls because all of the evidence supported that this ticker was going to go up. Okay, a little update. My target has just went from red to green. Keeping an eye on this to see if it'll take off. My target is up about 12%. I'm going to get ready to close this out. Okay, so I am setting a closing order for Target. My Target closing order has been filled. I closed out with a $70 gain. I found this trade using my custom scan, looking for squeezes that have already fired on the daily time frame. Here are a few members that took the TGT alert. This member exited with 20% gains. This member exited at 8%. This member exited at 20%. So TGT was a successful trade using one of my custom scans. As I say in all of my videos, one of my alerts normally pays for the subscription. Target is still going up. Had I stayed in a bit longer, it would have been over 25-30% by now. All I'm doing is running different scans on different time frames to see if I can identify another setup. Right now I have the Squeeze scan, looking for tickers that have fired, and I also have the yellow to blue histogram scan. Those two I'm going to run multiple times on multiple time frames, and then I'm going to go into some of the other custom scans. I also mentioned Costco a little bit earlier when I saw that it fired. I did not take the trade. However, because I've mentioned it, I did see a member take the trade and make a 30% gain on it. I just entered a trade on LEN, L-E-N, and this came from my custom scan, which looks for the first cyan bar on the Squeeze histogram. I was just negative and it just went positive. And with this ticker, I saw that it was in a squeeze. The histograms are positive. The EMAs are stacked positive on all time frames. So I decided to take this on the weekly time frame. For LEN, I picked up the 106 call for $3.05, and I only had 2 contracts. I got a further out expiration to give it time to unfold. Here is the weekly time frame for LEN, and as you can see, it has the first cyan bar on the histogram. Just an update on the LEN trade that I took. I'm up about 7%. That's $40 for right now. Although I entered this trade on the weekly time frame as a swing, if it continues to go up, I am likely to close it and take profits. LEN is now at its high of day. I am up 11%, so I'm going to go ahead and set a closing order so I can take my profits. I am all out of LEN. You've seen me take 2 trades today. I took LEN, that came off one of my custom scans, and I also took TGT, and that came from my custom scans. That's 2 successful trades that I took today using my custom scans. If you're interested in any of the scans I used today, they are on my website, optionsqueen.org, in the shop. Remember, you can still make money by trading 1 to 2 positions. That's what you saw me do today. Now for this month's giveaway, I'm going to be selecting 3 winners. If your name is selected, contact me on my website, optionsqueen.org, select the email icon, and send me a message there, and I will let you know the next steps to claim your prize. Our first winner is H. Hayden. Congratulations. Contact me on my website. Our second winner is Jane Ann Hall. Contact me on my website to claim your prize. And our final winner is AR. Please contact me on my website to claim your prize. Thank you all for watching till the end, and I'll see you next time.